The grid size is 120 metres by 70 metres. We've got 380 red line robots, 56 outbound carousel ports over 2 outbound tunnels, 13 conveyor ports, 9 used for inbound and 4 used for QC, and order consolidation for items picked away from the AutoStore. We have 300,000 bins and 900,000 locations overall. Yeah, the flexibility and scalability of the solution is reflected well here, combining AutoStore's robotics with our own operational tools. So for example, typically we will pick to order on a daily basis, but at peak we'll toggle to batch picking. And when we do that, we get operational capacity to pick 1.2 million D2C units across 500,000 shipments on a daily basis. This is the really important stuff, right? This is where the clients of AutoStore get the benefit, but perhaps more importantly, the customers, the end users of those clients see the benefit. As a client of AutoStore, we get incredibly efficient use of space. So the buildings we have, we can get so much more inventory into that small space, right? And space becomes ever more expensive. In terms of the cost, we've seen a 40% reduction in variable labour costs versus our previous manual system. This has meant that over a 2-year period, we've had a 180 basis point reduction in our distribution costs, which have fully funded our investment in the AutoStore. Payback is incredible. As for our customers, the end users, the very fast throughput on the system means that we have extended our cut-off for next day delivery to midnight in the UK. No one else that we're aware of offers that service. At the same time, our average period from order to delivery for our customers was just 1.45 days in the UK across all of our orders. Again, this gives us significant competitive advantage. Sure, look, another huge advantage of the AutoStore system isn't just the scalability of the solution, but it's also the breadth of products that we can push through it. As an example, we fulfill all of our UK beauty orders from our UK AutoStore, including all orders for Look Fantastic, which is the UK online market leader. Look Fantastic benefits from later next day cut-offs and faster throughput of orders, as well as substantially cheaper distribution costs than all of its UK competition. But we also fulfill orders for all of our Ingenuity customers across a wide range of other consumer product categories, including apparel, footwear, consumer goods and nutrition. The Ingenuity platform and the AutoStore technology are both virtually category agnostic, meaning we can take in a wide range of product categories, which continues to broaden over time as we onboard more clients. First of all, space. We'd run out of space prior to investing in AutoStore. This gave us enormous capacity that we've still got now, so it solved that issue. Labour costs were rising. The efficiency of processing through this solution has been incredible, and it's been demonstrated in our cost reduction over a number of years. We operate in a number of categories, so the solution gives us the ability to put a number of categories within it. It's very flexible, both in terms of breadth of categories and scalability once we've got it. But I think probably the most important, right, was certainty of delivery. We had a very short time scale to get this done, right? And we felt that this offered us the greatest degree of certainty of delivery, and that was proven to be the case with that 5-month period from actually starting it to conclusion. The benefits of the group are in 2 key areas, okay? And I'll use the example of the UK to demonstrate this. In terms of the service metrics to our customers, we've got the latest next day cut-offs than any of our competition at midnight. In September 23, our average click to delivery on the doorstep for every one of our UK customers was 1.45 days across all different types of service. Again, that's industry leading. This means that the impact on customer lifetime value is measurable and it's sizable. At the same time, as evidenced by the fact that our distribution costs have reduced by 180 basis points over the last 2 years, not only do we have the best service in the UK, we also do it at the lowest cost in the UK against all of our competition. And having demonstrated and built that capability, we're now able to offer it in terms of service and cost to all of our Ingenuity clients across a whole range of different categories. One of the key benefits of the AutoStore solution, I believe, is simplicity and certainty of build. However, in terms of advice, I'd say optimization of the solution post-build is the key to success from our experience. We'd advise that prospective customers ensure that they or their distribution partners are rigorous in the collection and analysis of data and are focused on their KPIs and the drivers of performance improvements. We've delivered success through continued optimization of the solution, through software reconfigurations and development, and then testing of the solution to fully understand the performance implications of such updates. It's this iterative process of continual improvement that has led to the solution delivering the significant enhancements to our business that we have seen. So to summarise, from our operations team, we've got more space and capacity than we need and plenty to grow into. From a financial perspective, we've got lower distribution costs than we've ever had. We've got quick payback on this investment. But most importantly, our customers get better service and have much better sentiment than they've ever had.